Jamaican people are 2019 now. And if you stop make people trick you with nonsense and gimmicks. The policemen that chased the so-called rogue cops in Spanish Town after the Junior Biggs killings were not good cops. These cops are also mixed up in wrongdoings. So that's the first thing we need to address. And if you use common sense, you would have figured that out already. Let's play the story as how them give it, right? Junior Biggs is a known era leader. Anybody from that side of Spanish Town can tell you that. Done. Right? The three man them come and kill Junior Biggs. Get in them car on a driveway. The policeman start chase them. Right? A shootout happened between the car that's getting away, carrying the three policemen, and the car that is being driven allegedly by one policeman. We'll get back to this because I very much doubt there was one policeman in the chasing car. Right? Ask yourself this question. When was the last time you see police risk life and limb to defend the life of a dead criminal? The policemen that chased the three rogue cops was in the party with Junior Biggs. The policemen that chased the three rogue cops are Junior Biggs boy them. A Junior Biggs linky. That policeman, he wasn't chasing after criminals that killed a random civilian. He might defend him brethren. That's what you're not realizing. See, you fall for the trick. Junior Biggs brethren. That's Junior Biggs boy. Watch Junior Biggs head back. Why you think him go through so much trouble? Listen to the interview with the rogue cop, alleged rogue cop, Kirk Fraser. Right? Him said they were coming under so much gunfire. You think this is an action movie? One man have one hand on a steering wheel because he have to drive the car, and have one hand free firing a gun, and he managed to outshoot 3 members of the mobile reserve, 3 experienced members. Him with one hand shoot up the car and outshoot 3 men with assuming one handgun. That's nonsense. Right? And if you listen to Kirk Fraser, even though he was lying in a lot of his story, he kept saying, them are fire, them are fire. The weapons that they were firing on that police car were heavy weapons. Outshoot 3 men, and you have one hand on the steering wheel, and one, I think this is an action movie. Come on, Jamaican people, stop being ignorant. The policeman that chased the rogue cops are Junior Biggs bridging them. To show you how angry they were and how upset they were, after them chased the man them and the man them crashed, they were so heated. Jump out of the car. Them not only kill one of the rogue cops, but them kill an innocent man. Think about that for a second. Which good Samaritan police you know who's just trying to capture some criminals escaping, see people crash, right? And then see a car of other people with knock out, crash and knock out as well, and run go kill them too. The policemen that chase those 3 rogue cops are also rogue cops. So we have a situation is thief a chase thief. Criminal a chase criminal. Those were Junior Biggs boys them. Them watch him head back. And them bridging dead, them linky dead, and them a defend it. Listen, Jamaican police will stand up outside a Tivoli and hear war go on at Tivoli and them nah enter. Them a make the man them kill themselves and then them go scrape up who forget scrape up. You think police are brave so much gunshot? One policeman are brave so much gunshot just because he's a good Samaritan. And he's a good Samaritan and I was just doing my job. Bullshit. I try play hero, he ain't no hero. Thief a chase thief. Crook a chase crook. That's Junior Biggs boy them. Why when the police car crash? Why when the car carrying the rogue policeman? Why when it crash? Why them jump out of the car and not only kill one of the man them, one of the rogue cops, but also kill an innocent man? That show you how heated they are. Them come with blood in them eyes. That ain't no good cop. Which good cop? And them have to go answer for the innocent man that dead. Right? Well, sorry, let me tell you about this is Jamaica. They should answer. They probably won't, but they should. They might defend them bridging. That's what those were policeman that was in it, that people are trying to make out to be the hero. I'm a criminal too. Right? The only fact we have, we know the only thing we know for certain is that 3 people are dead. But all this, who is good guy, who is bad guy, the story is being written to make some people look like the devil and some people look like the angel. Believe me, it's a case of bad versus worse. Ain't no good cop, bad cop. It's bad versus worse. That's Junior Biggs, boy them. Him in the dance with Junior Biggs. Him watch Junior Biggs head back. And him go defend him, Junior Biggs when him get shot up. Anyway guys, like, comment, share and let me know your opinion.